In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot email signature generator. This tool is perfect for creating professional email signatures that can easily be integrated into your email communications, enhancing your brand presence with every message you send. First and foremost, you'll need to go to the HubSpot platform. Once you're there, look for the settings option. This is usually located in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can manage various features of your HubSpot account. Next, in the settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation bar and find the email section. Click on it. This will open up the email configurations where you can adjust your email settings and manage other related options. From here, you'll want to locate the option that says Manage Email Signatures. Clicking this will bring up the HubSpot email signature generator. It's a fantastic feature because it allows you to create, edit, and manage multiple signatures with ease. Now that you're in the email signature area, you can start adding your new signature. HubSpot provides a simple and intuitive interface where you can fill in your basic information such as your name, role, company, and contact details. What's great about HubSpot is that they allow you to personalize your signature to fit your branding. Be sure to align the text style and color with your brand identity for maximum impact. If you want to add an extra touch of professionalism and brand recognition, you have the option to insert an image. This could be your company logo or a professional headshot. HubSpot makes this easy. Simply click on the image icon within the signature editor to insert your file. After selecting your desired image, the next step is to upload it. HubSpot supports different formats, so make sure your image is ready to go in a compatible format. Click Upload, and your image will be embedded into your signature template. Once you're satisfied with your new email signature, it's crucial to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the editor page. Clicking this ensures that all your customization and design choices are stored and applied to your email communications moving forward. And there you have it, a concise journey through setting up a professional email signature using HubSpot's email signature generator. By following these steps, you're not only creating a consistent and professional look for your emails, but also enhancing your overall brand image. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.